start. The ratio of outer and inner perimeters of a circular path is 23:22. If the path is 5 meters wide, then the diameter of the inner circle is, see, your problem is quite easy. The perimeter ratio of the perimeters is given. Perimeter of circle means circumference. C1 is to C2 is given 23 is to 22. So, and this is 5 meters wide. So let one diameter be D1, this diameter of bigger one, and this smaller be D2. So pi D1 upon pi D2 equals to 23 by 22. What is pi D1? Circumference equals to 2 pi r or pi d, whatever it is. Okay. So D1 upon D2 equals to 23 by 22. So 2r1 upon 2r2 equals to 23 by 22. Therefore r1 upon r2 equals to 23 by 22. Right. So r1 upon r2 you know now, 23 by 22. Therefore r1 equals to 23 by 22 into r2. Right. After this it's clear. But what's given? The difference is 5 meters. So r1 minus r2 equals to 5 meters. Now input the value of r1, 23 r2 by 22 minus r2 equals to 5. Solve this. You will get 22 into 5, that is 110. Because 22 comes here, 23 minus 22, 1, 22 on this side. So 110 meters, that is the radius r2. But what we want? Diameter of the inner circle. So d2 equals to 2 into r2, right? So d2, that is inner circle diameter, equals to 220.